getting people involved, making it a community thing, just more than the race. You know, there's so many different 5Ks and runs that we do around here, but to be able to kind of like connect it to the community all the way across the board just makes it special.
You're here to talk about the race to fill the pantry, and I'm pretty excited about that.
We use it to support Achilles CT. We've put money into the East Hartford Magnet School. They have a Greenleaf program, so it's all about food education, and they're planting a garden with the money that they've used before. I think this year they're building birdhouses with the money. It's just kind of different ways to get the kids involved.
We've been naming sponsor for 9 years. We've been a sponsor for 10 years. And so for us, like, this represents over that span of time, close to a $15,000 commitment to the community and to local organizations and charities we care about.
The school will run a food drive for us. So we'll have all kinds of people bringing bags and canned goods and things like that, so that we collect funds and support the food pantry in town that way too.
We talk a lot about snacks in our office. Like, food is serious business, but people are hungry, and the idea that we can help feed our community is something near and dear to us and to what we do.
All Achilles athletes run the race for free. We just make sure we can get as many involved as possible. It's also a course that's flat enough that any athletes with mobility issues have no problems with running the course and participating in that way. And it just brings it all together. You know, there's something just incredibly special about having a race that's really genuinely for everybody.